working on it. Welded up the mount axles, so we use that to level everything out. Now we got all the spacing for the diff. We're working on that. Just gotta level out the front.
Okay. Yeah, I don't want it to move, you know? Good, you know what I mean, bro?
Yeah, no. It'll be good. Just gonna tack it up.
Alright, so I want to tack it there.
Yeah, then come outside and shave it down and do all the good stuff.
Alright. Motherfucker going. Okay, are you in a race car? No, it's just a street car.
No, it's both.
Just want to make sure it's feel good, right? Not the shift.
No, everything is still plumb. So here's the update. As you saw in the video before, we were working on the mounts. So now everything is structurally based. It's all evened out. We have these little rods, so at least this way we could adjust the differential in and out if I decide to upgrade. But for right now, everything's secured. We have the mount axles in just to get an idea of what the clearance would be. And so far, everything is fine. Shouldn't have any issues. But if we do, we already have a plan. Once the new axles come in, once we send these out to get made, we just had to get an idea of the dimension that we would need. So they're in. Everything is actually being supported by its own weight. Leave all the jack stand are out, and everything's looking good. So just gotta adjust the shock to even everything out, and then maybe I think sometime during the week or next week we're gonna actually put it on the ground, roll it back and forth, make sure everything is good, and then start working on the front axle, because I don't have the Accord outside ones. Gave the manual to my friend. I'm waiting for him to give me his automatic one, so this way I could just do the same thing, cut them up, make my axles using the B series axles inner, and once that's done, then we should be good to go. So it's cold outside. We're in New York. It's about 32 degrees outside. Continue. We're installing TN's coilovers on the 07 Accord. I'm just doing it for winter setup to see if I can raise this car up a little bit, and see if I can just change the brakes for the calipers also. Throw them on, and then yeah, hopefully drive. So it's gonna be a real quick video. I'm just gonna be in a rush trying to get everything done, but I'll just record a little bit just to see. I'm trying to do it without taking out the shock, well, the struts. So I'm trying some messed up ways, but we'll see if it works out or not. So far we just take off the upper ball joint, loosen it from the knuckle. And now we're just trying to take the screw out, and then there's one more in the corner, and then hopefully that should give me enough room so I can slide it out. So, like you see, I took the control arm out. Basically, I was able to take it out with the shock still installed. So now, the way I did that is, let's see if I can show you. There it goes, it fits in like that, and you just try to slide the screw in through the back. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but give you an idea. So while it's installed, just put one in at a time, go behind the shock and just slide it in. And this is the hole right here, so it goes in like this on this side and this on this side.